From the opulent future adventure, greetings. Forget about the limitations of luxury on land because Bentley is reimagining the concept of the motorhome. Introducing the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines unmatched performance, unmatched elegance, and unmatched mobility. Apart from its iconic matrix grille and crystal LED headlights, Bentley's unique front fascia further contributes to its uniqueness. Despite its small size, it has a threatening image because to its big multispoke alloy wheels and flowing aerodynamic body lines. This RV's powerplant is nearly as amazing as its appearance. Its state-of-the-art 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine produces over 600 horsepower, ensuring a powerful, peaceful, and comfortable ride that gives you the impression that you are flying through the air. You enter the cockpit, which serves as both the driver's cabin and an extravagant control center. The dashboard is covered in soft, quilted Bentley leather and embellished with book-matched veneer wood or high-gloss carbon fiber. A large curved OLED infotainment screen that is fully integrated with Level 3 autonomous driving assistance technologies, augmented reality navigation, and intuitive voice control displays all of the information in a stunning manner. Haptic touch and real metal buttons provide satisfying tactile input, and a heated and cooled leather steering wheel makes every trip utterly delightful. But the big section is absolutely gorgeous. The goal of a spacious, light-filled living area is to maximize comfort. The ultimate in luxury is offered with hand-stitched Mulliner leather sofas and chairs in the iconic diamond pattern, which have amenities like heating, cooling, and massaging. Electrically movable wall panels expand the living space and create a more private lounge area while the camper is parked. A retractable 8K OLED TV screen from the ceiling, a Naim for Bentley audio system with hidden speakers, and adjustable multicolored LED ambient lighting create an unmatched entertainment experience. A private haven is the bedroom in the back. A king-size mattress with memory foam on top guarantees a restful night's sleep while traveling long distances. Built-in wardrobes with automatic lighting and lockable drawers offer plenty of storage space. Large panoramic windows with motorized shutters offer stunning views, and a separate climate control system ensures the perfect sleeping temperature. The bathroom serves as a makeshift spa. It has an elegant sink with chrome or gold-plated taps, a high-pressure rain shower, and a ceramic vacuum toilet with bidet. The finish is achieved with luxurious composite materials or fine marble. An anti-fog mirror, integrated lighting, and a silent air ventilation system provide the highest level of comfort. Lastly, practical art may be seen in the kitchen. High-end manufacturers such as Gagano or Sub-Zero produce built-in microwaves, convection ovens, induction cooktops, side-by-side freezers with ice makers, and hidden dishwashers. Granite and quartz are two examples of materials that are resistant to scratches and are used to make countertops. Custom cabinets with soft-close drawers and excellent under-cabinet lighting may suit all of your cooking demands, even in the vast outdoor area. Bentley Motorhome, 2026. It is more than just a vehicle. It is a declaration of unbridled luxury and independence. Enjoy every journey in the unmatched quality that only Bentley can offer.